Hello everyone, this is Xratios Investor. Please note that this video is for educational purpose, and please still do your own research. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Wow, we have seen a huge rally in the cannabis market today on November 28th, and could likely see more in the next few days. I have been following the marijuana stocks for a while and I realized that many people are searching for answers on why marijuana stocks are soaring. Aurora rose as high of 8.7% to $5.96, Canopy gained 7.34% to $34, Afria rose to $8.53, 10% increase, New Age Beverage gained 26% to $4.56, and so on. While some marijuana stock like Tilray is actually on a dip. If you have watched my video on why marijuana stocks crashed, Aurora Drop explained. I have talked about how marijuana stocks need a spark to ignite the industry, or we will see the marijuana industry drop further. So far, the stock's price had shown and proved that my theory was right, as we were pretty much on a downtrend ever since the Canada marijuana legalization day. As of today, I believe that we might begin to see the spark that we have been waiting for, with many more to follow after that could lead to a change in trend. The spark, or I should say the key to that, is Farm Bill. I realized that Farm Bill has finally caught many people's attention, but no one actually knows exactly what it does, and I will explain that shortly. As reported by Democratic Senator Debbie Stabenow from Michigan, said that she was very encouraged by the progress made. This means that the Farm Bill has a deal agreed in principle on the November 28th as I made this video. Although it has not been officialized yet, but from what I have learned, it could likely pass. Many people will eventually realize the potential of the CBD move. With that said, I would give some benefit of the doubt on the Farm Bill, just because nothing is 100%. Now, why Farm Bill matters and what it means to the marijuana industry. If passed, the Farm Bill, which includes the Hemp Farming Act of 2018, will replace the 2017 Farm Bill. This means that hemp, a form of cannabis, will finally be labeled as a legal crop, which will allow all 50 states in America to legally sell CBD. Congress has tried to revive U.S. hemp before in the 2014 Farm Bill, but failed as farmers did not push for it enough during that year. Hence, the 2014 Farm Bill only managed to open the door for some growers as part of experimental programs. Under those, farmers have already planted 25,000 acres of hemp in 19 states. As long as hemp remain classified as controlled substance, a true commercial industry would remain impossible, because of the strict regulations when it comes to importing their products. CBD is already a big business in America, generating hundreds of millions of dollars in sales every year. This means that institutional investors and big companies will finally gain access to the cannabis industry and intervene into the full range of financial service and market development that were once restricting their capability to fund and participate in this sector. We are talking about a potential consumer market size worth up to $22 billion by the end of 2022. So, unless investors hate being part of the $22 billion, I really do not see any reasons for them to shy away from it. To further fuel my argument, if you look at U.S. California-based Medman Enterprises. Medman is tagged as the Apple Store of weed because they have reported revenue per square foot of $6,257 in its California stores, beating Apple stores that were once the leading retailer in sales per square foot at $5,546. Which justify the potential market size of $22 billion. Also, if you look at companies like New Age Beverage and Indian Globalization Capital, they had surged over 20% today for a rightful reason, and the reason to that is, wait for it, CBD. Yes, CBD drink. Investors definitely realized that CBD will play an important role in the market when we finally see a fully legalized hemp. As for Aurora and Afria, we are looking at supply shortage now. Unfortunately, companies are not able to match the demand. Reports suggested that this issue are expected to go on for a few months. While this looks like bad news, I believe that it is a good sign from the pot producer's perspective. The reason to that is because of this simple economic concept. When demand is more than supply, producers can raise the price in the process. But when supply is more than demand, we will begin to see a huge drop in price to balance out the production. Also, Aurora Cannabis has completed the sale in the open market of the Australis Capital units on behalf of non-resident shareholders. I think these factors could likely be the reason for the rise today. I would suggest taking precaution measurements just in case the Farm Bill agreement falls through. At the moment, I am extremely bullish on cannabis stocks and I think we will likely see an agreement. That's all I have for this video. As always, please note that speculation caused people to pay no attention stock valuation consideration, so please still do your own due diligence. Subscribe here for more stock videos, and leave a thumbs up if you liked this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Till next time.